Hi friends, welcome to Code World YouTube channel. My name is Basha. In the previous video we had discussed about for loops, right? In this video we are going to discuss about operators, and if you remember this question I asked in the previous video, we are going to answer this now. Okay, let me explain this. If this print function is in line number 3, the output is, let me show this with executing this in my CMD. Okay, this is my directory where I have my codes. See, okay, I have to execute my program. Program 1.5. See, output is Basha, Steve, and Jan. If the print function is on line number 6, the output is changed. See this? Now here print function is line number 6. Let me show the output. That's not dot output also. Program 2.5. Print just Basha and Steve. Why this happened? Let me explain this. Python executes the codes line by line. So Python understands by first line the names is a list. The second line to iterate the names list for loop is used. For n in names, for each iteration the n value is changed. For the n in name, for first iteration n value is Basha. So first it will print the name, print n, print Basha. Basha is printed. Next it will check the condition, n is equal to John. The n value is Basha, so Basha is not equal to John, so it is not going to break. Again for second time the iteration, the n value is Steve. Again it will print the value of Steve and check the condition. The condition will false, so it is not going to break. Again it will go to check the condition. Again it will go for third iteration. For third iteration the n value becomes John, and it will print the name and go to check the condition. Here the condition is 2. That's why it is going to break the loop. That's why it print only the Basha, Steve, John. Now this is, if we replace the print function to line number 6, what happened? See here, same as names the list, and iterating the names for loop. Okay, and first you check the condition, then after the checking condition it will going to print. Okay, the first iteration the n value is Basha is not equal to John, then breaking is not happened, not going to break this, and print the name. Okay, Basha is printed. For second iteration the n value is Steve, and Steve is not equal to John, so it is not going to break, and print the name n. Print the n value is Steve here, so it will print the Steve. For the third iteration the n value becomes John, so n value is John is equal to John, it is 2, then it's going to break. It is not going to print, it is big here, the code will stop here. That's why it print just Basha and Steve. Okay guys, I think you will understood. If you come from Java C background, this is quite like a while and do while loops. Here this is like do while. First it will this is like while, right? First it will check the condition and going to print. This is like do while. First it will print and going to check the condition. Okay, now in this video I have told we are going to discuss operators. Operators are used to do operations on variables and values. Python have these operator types: assignment operator, arithmetic operator, INT operator, membership operators, logical operators, comparison operator, bitwise operator. We are going to discuss them all. First, assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign values to the variables. Assignment operators are is equal to, plus is equal to, minus is equal to, and int is equal to, divided by is equal to, like this. Okay, let me explain this with example. I'm taking variable x is equal to 10, which is the value 10 is assigned to variable x. If I print the x value, the value 10 is printed. Let me execute this. See, 10 is printed, and now x plus is equal to 2. This is same as x is equal to x plus 2. That is the value in x is added value 2, and the result is stored in the x variable, like this. X minus is equal to 2. This is same as x is equal to x minus 2. The value of x is subtracted with 2 and the result is stored in the x value. Let me show this. Let me print and show this. Okay, x is equal to x plus is equal to 2. Now print the x value. Okay, see 12 is printed. This x value is x is equal to x plus 2. The x value is added with 2 and the result is stored in x. That's why on printing x we get the as 12. Like this we perform all operations. Let's copy this to show all operations. Control. Okay, x minus is equal to and x into is equal to and x divided by x equal to. Okay, let me run this. See 10, 12, 10, 20, 10 is printed. I'm going to explain this. X minus is equal to means x is equal to x minus 2. The value of x is subtracted with 2 and the result is stored in x. Okay, the say like this, same x into is equal to 2 is same as x is equal to x into 2. The value of x is multiplied with 2 and the result is stored in x. So if we print the x, the new value and storing and perform this operation is appeared. Okay, x divided by 2 is equal to x is equal to x divided by 2. Okay, the x divided by 2 and the result is stored in the value in the x. Okay, this is assignment operators. Next, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform operations on numeric values. Operations are common mathematical operations that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, exponentations. Let me explain all this with example. Let me clear this. I'm going to take the variable a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 2. Okay, next print a plus b, addition operation. Okay, see 12. Next print a minus b, subtraction operation. 8. Okay, next print a into b. This is multiplication. See the value 20. Next division. Print a divided by b. Okay, see 5. A divided by b, division operation. Okay, for modulus operation, print a modulus b. Run this. See 0. Modulus operation gives remainder as a result. A modulus b 2 divided by 10 gives the remainder 0. To show this, let me change the values. Let me clear this first all and take a value as 20 and b value as 3. Then print a modulus b. See here. Now I'll run this. See 2. If 20 is divided by 3, the remainder will be 2. Okay. Next, floor division. For floor division, sorry, a floor division b. This is first division operation is performed. On the result, floor operation is performed. Let me show this. Okay, Control P. I'm going to run this. A value is 20. B value is 3. I'm dividing the A with T. 3 6 is 8 into 6 is our result. Variables, for example, 25. Okay, right? And B value is 3. Okay. Let me clear this. Okay, I'm going to run this. See 8. 8 get 24 and something like a 8.33 is a result. Floor the value 8 is appeared. Okay, These are, and exponentiation is a star star b, that is 25 power 3, that value is 15625. Okay, these are arithmetic operators. Next, identity operator. Identity operator used to compare the objects if they are actually the same objects with the same memory location. There are two identity operators, is and is not. Is returns true if the both variables are the same objects, and is not is quite opposite. Is not returns true if both variables are not the same objects. Okay, let me explain this with example. If x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 10, then print x is y. We run this. This is true, right? X and y are the same, that's why it is true. If is not, this will become false. Very simple. And we can use this like this also. If type, I already seen the type function, how to use the type function, right? Type of x is int. Let's see what will be output. 2. The type of x is the value 10. 10 is integer, so type of x is int. Int is int 2. That's why it becomes print 2, right? Now, membership operators. Membership operators are the operators which are used to check whether the value or variable exists in the sequence, like list, strings, tuples, dictionaries, sets or not. Membership operators are used for this. Okay, these operators returns either true or false. There are two membership operators, they are in or not in. In returns true if the sequence with the specified value is present in the object, and if it returns false if it is not present in the sequence. And not in is exact opposite. Not in returns true if the variable or value is not present in the sequence, and returns false if it is present in the sequence. Let me explain this with example. Okay, I'm going to take a list, student list, okay, and student name is John. Okay, and student ID is 1, and student's marks are 90.3%, and student age is 25. I'm going to take the student list having a string and 4 variables, 4 integer variables. Okay, and print 23 in student. Let me run this, Control B. False, because 23 is not present in the list. If I add not here, not B, true, because it is not present in student list. Let me see John on the string. John is in student, so 2, because John is in student list. Like this, we use this membership operators. That's it for this video, friends. See you in next video. If you like my video, please hit the like button. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.